Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Salvador Panelo has apologized to Vice President Leni Robredo. Panelo sent a text message to Robredo.
Nakita ko yung paghingi ng paumanhin ni Secretary Panelo. Pero pag binasa mo, parang wala naman sa loob niya yung paghingi ng paumanhin. Kasi alam mo, confronted na siya ng katotohanan, so hindi niya na malulusutan. Pero hindi naman talaga siya sorry.
According to Robredo, Panelo's apology lacks sincerity.
Hindi siya sorry in the sense na pag binalikan mo kasi yung kanyang statement, very malicious talaga. Ang sinabi niya po sa statement na sinabayan ko daw yung mga goods galing sa DSWD sa isang C-130 flight to Catanduanes kasi gusto ko daw pumapel na akin yon. Napakasama.
While Panelo was sorry for accusing her of riding a military plane, the palace officials said he was not apologizing for statements made about Robredo using government resources to aid in her relief efforts.
Halata na napilitan lang mag-apologize kasi confronted with the truth. Pero yung nakakalungkot po ngayon na mga government official na yung nagpapwede ng fake news.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.